Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a delicious soup recipe for you. I start by preparing the meatballs of my soup. I bought 200 grams of ground beef in my bowl. 1 egg white on it. I separated the yolk for finishing. 1 small shredded onion. 1 tablespoon washed and strained rice. I add enough salt and pepper and knead it by hand. After kneading a little, I add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to my meatball mortar. I knead again. I wet my hand a little, take small pieces, and roll with my hand. I take the plate I floured. Shaking the plate, I find the meatballs flour. My meatballs are ready. I'm getting some all in my pot. I cut into cubes, add 1 carrot, and cook a little. After roasting the carrots a little, I add 1 tablespoon of flour and fry until the smell comes out. Add 1 liter of water. After stirring a little, I close the lid and boil until the carrots soften. When it starts to boil, I add small potatoes and meatballs that I cut into 1 cube. I add the salt and boil it until the rice is cooked. For seasoning, I add half a lemon juice on 1 egg yolk and whisk it with a fork. I add 3 spoons of the juice of the soup and heat the manners. Adding to soup. I boil my soup for 3 more minutes and turn it off. Our soup is ready to serve. I came to the end of my video. Good luck to those who will try. Subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to comment and like. See you in new and practical recipes. Goodbye.